My name is Eddie Brioso, and we're at the Penthouse Hotel. And we're gonna be making the Hornet Enco with the Nosotros Tequila. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna muddle 2 wheels of Serrano chilies. Gonna be using 2 ounces of Nosotros. Next step, we're gonna be adding lime juice. We're gonna be adding simple syrup. We're gonna be adding ice all the way to the top. Make sure we seal it right. Give it a shake. And we're gonna strain it in the Martini glass. Then we're gonna garnish it with the Serrano chili. We're gonna be adding a lime. And there we have it.